Alright, hi guys, I'm going to do a Dollar Tree haul. This is stuff I got in Georgia and stuff I got here, so I'm going to just go ahead and show you. I found some more jackpot stuff, some stuff that everybody always has I haven't been able to find. So the first thing I found was the Crafters decals, and this has the mom decals in there. So I found this. And then I found this at my Dollar Tree, Things to Remember. It's Monday through Sunday, and it's a little dry erase board, so I could put this up on my refrigerator, and I could put the menu on here if I wanted to. Like, you put menu, things to remember to cook or something, I don't know. I got that. And then, I always get my super glue, so I got some more super glue. And dropping stuff. And then I picked up the Super Stay Mocha foundation, and I found this at the one in Georgia, so I picked up 2 of these to try out. Okay, and then I got this head wrap. If you've seen these at the Dollar Tree, I found the yellow one. I'm just pulling stuff out of my bag. And you remember in my last haul, I said if I found any more of these at my Dollar Tree, I would pick them up, where my Dollar Tree didn't have them, but the one in Georgia did. So I got the, I got some more lotion. And then I got some more body wash. And there should be some more. Here we go. And I got another thing of lotion. Okay. So I picked up the Skinny Pop. What is it called? Boom Chicka Pop. The Boom Chicka Pop. I got 2 of these, and I ate one already. And then I got a white cheddar that is also gone. But this is really good. This is sweet and salty kettle corn. Alrighty. I'm gonna go into this bag next. I don't have any makeup on because I have a sty on my eye. Let me tell you a little story, okay? So, for 3 weeks, it's been 3 weeks. So before we went home to Georgia, I started eating healthy, and I started to watch my diet and everything. And then I came up with this clever idea to not wear any makeup. So I stopped wearing makeup, and I got a sty on my eye. Interesting, isn't it? Okay, so then I picked up the Focus on the Good, and I wanted to get this one because we got more like espresso browns in our kitchen and stuff. So I picked this one up, and then I saw the other ones that everybody's getting, and if I go back and they have some more, I'm gonna throw one of those into my next giveaway. So at the Georgia Dollar Tree, I found my camera cut off. So I got this Moisture Rich Body Wash. This is the Vanilla and Honey, and this is from the Bolero brand. The next thing, pulling out of this bag, I got me some straws. I didn't know Dollar Tree sold these, but I had some of these from Ross, and they all went missing. And so I saw these at the Dollar Tree, and I was like, I'm gonna give these a try since I can't find mine, and I'm gonna put these away somewhere where my kids can't find them, because I can't find any of my straws that I bought from Ross. And then I found the journals, and I picked up the Choose Joy one. This one is so pretty. It has roses, and it's pink, and I like pink a lot. So my office has pink in it. I don't know if you can see it right now, but. And then the Have Heart one with the roses. So I'm trying to figure out which one I want to keep. And then got some more goodies. I picked up another Sassy and Chic nail file. I actually glued some nails on, and this one popped off, but right now I'm just gluing my nails on. I'm not gonna go get mine done. I'm just letting them breathe for a little bit. And then I got this headband, which is so cute. It's like polka dots, but it's hearts. Can you see that? Hearts. And then the Dollar Tree in Georgia, they had the, what is this stuff? Body yogurt, I'm sorry. Body yogurt in lavender and jasmine. Smells good. This is Bolero. Doesn't that look so sleek and like it costs a lot of money and it was only $1? Okay. So this is for my giveaway because I don't even know what I would do with this. But I was able to find some of the hard candy stuff, and this is the hard candy glow. So this is gonna be going into my giveaway. I'm just collecting stuff, and then I got this other hard candy, just glow. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that or not, if I'm gonna put that in a giveaway too, but I don't really like the whole glow thing that everybody does. I'm not really into that. Then we had the velvet mousse. This was $1. Can you believe that? It came in this can. We're gonna look inside. You see that? I'm not giving this one away. I'm gonna keep this one. But like if I go, this was at the Georgia Dollar Tree. If I go to mine and they have this, then I will pick one up to throw into my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. That's what I'm trying to get to. I want to do a rant. Really? I want to do like a rant video talking about the frustrations of being on YouTube for 11 years and just trying everything, every niche you could think of, everything you're interested in, and just feel like you're just stuck. I want to talk about that one day. Maybe I'll go live and talk about channel membership or something and decide to do that. I can't get this out. I'm trying to get this out. But this is the Velvet Mousse. Isn't that nice? That's $1. So I got that. And then I also picked up the Hard Candy eyeshadow palette. Doesn't this look nice? Naturally Gorgeous is what it's called. I might keep this because I like natural colors. But this is nice for $1. Okay. And then since we were in Georgia and I had bought some nails that I was gonna put on and that I didn't put on, I went ahead and grabbed this, I can't talk anymore. This nail polish right here. I have plenty nail polish removers, but I needed one in Georgia, so I just picked that up, grabbed that when we were there. And then I got this one, this body wash, and this is in coconut rose water. So I got these two Bolero new body washes. I like to get my thumbnails. Maybe I should turn this way. Let me see. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail because I like good thumbnails. Okay. And then we got this one. And then this.